Hi friends, my name is Riya and I am a yoga instructor. I focus on the correct alignment and anatomy of the body. Today in the Dove Yoga series, we're going to focus on the hips. Why hips? As the human body, we tend to store a lot of locked emotions in our hips. In this session, I am going to show you a few poses of how to refresh, reopen and unlock those emotions. So for that, let's come into tabletop, our first pose. You're going to come into all fours with the correct alignment, shoulders above your wrist crease, hips above your knees. And then we're going to push the mat away and protract the shoulders. Just keep pushing the mat and protract your shoulders. You're going to open out your left knee right in line with your left hip. And then draw small circles clockwise and then anti-clockwise. We're going to do this 3 to 4 rounds on each side. Right, left, and then again continue with left and right. When this is done, you're going to slowly tuck your toes, sit back onto your knees, relax your hips, and then come into our second pose for the session. In our second pose, you're going to place the hands on top of the mat, and then you're going to just step your right foot outside the right hand and the left foot outside the left hand and gently come into a yoga squat. Keeping the spine up tall, you're going to move your elbows inside of the knees. If there's any difficulty in keeping the heels down, you can always prop yourself up on blocks. Then push the knees out, push the elbows into the knees, keep your spine up tall and breathe. And maybe just give yourself here 6 to 7 inhales and exhales. And then slowly you can also move and sway right to left, left to right to slowly open and massage those tight parts. When you're done with 3 to 4 rounds here and it's like enough for you, then slowly just sit down onto the mat. Straighten out the legs and then just bob the knees here. And then coming to our third pose, you're going to slowly bring the soles of the feet together, taking the knees out wide. Once again, if you feel you're quite tight in the hips, you can also prop up cushions or blocks underneath your knees. Keeping the spine up tall, first hold your ankles, your shins, then your feet, and then slowly lean ahead. Once again, stay in this pose 5 to 6 breaths. Then once you're done, just slightly move back. With love, bring the knees in together. You can even do this on the mat lying on your back. I hope that these poses can really help you out with your tight hips and also detox your unlocked emotions. Stay tuned in for the next one. Love and light.